Trust Joist's Colbert plant sprawls across the picturesque hills of northern Georgia. Nicknamed Tree City, USA, Colbert is well known for its lumber industry. The Colbert plant ships its award-winning lumber products throughout the United States and overseas as far as Europe, Australia, and Japan. Headquartered in Boise, Idaho, Trust Joist is a Weyerhaeuser business and the world's leading provider of engineered lumber products. Trust Joist operates 19 manufacturing facilities in the U.S., Canada, and Australia, producing a variety of products for structural framing and industrial applications. These products, which include beams, headers, joists, and columns, offer strength and stability for a wide range of construction purposes. The Colbert plant manufactures Paralam Crest Strand lumber, or PSL, as an advanced composite wood fiber technology that creates beams of exceptional strength and beauty. Paralam delivers all the construction benefits of traditional wood and will carry up to 10 times more load per section. As many as 2,500 8-foot blocks can be created in a typical 12-hour shift.
When I first came here about 3 years ago, I recognized that we had an older system. We had an older platform, plant intelligence system to work from. We did not have the ability to manipulate or improve processes with that platform. So we decided to make some changes with plant intelligence in order to get a newer system to be able to improve our process with.
The Trust Joist Colbert plant turned to in-source software solutions to help improve their operations and product quality. In-source software solutions work with Trust Joist, which is a pure make-to-order operation, to adopt a manufacturing plant intelligence system from Wonderware, a business unit of Invensys.
The engineering support and the level of service that we got during that project was one of the things that allowed us to do it, period.
Industrial Application Server, which is based on Orchestra technology and an underlying framework of Microsoft.NET, forms the foundation of Trust Joist Colbert's new plant intelligence solution. Industrial Application Server is unique in that it delivers the ability to address the needs for standardization, rapid and flexible deployment, change management, and application integration. By doing so, it extends the life of legacy systems and preserves previous investments in hardware, software, and intellectual property.
And we use a lot of Wonderware products in the company, and in fact it's pretty close to a standard as you can get. The Orchestra technology, it was a step above that, and so it wasn't as industrially hardened as some of the other Wonderware applications. So it was maybe viewed as a bold step. We felt we needed a bold step. We felt we needed to make a change, and we felt we could benefit from it, and we felt that the return on that investment would be more than enough to offset any downside.
Industrial Application Server is designed to optimize the integration of disparate solutions, develop and maintain standards, and in the process, it can cut engineering costs by as much as 50% while improving efficiency and performance throughout the plant.
And it's actually easier software. I worked with other software, other manufacturers, and I think Wonderware, question of drivers, and communication standpoint and installation, it's really much easier.
Trust Joist engineers use it to build and configure objects for the HMI elements and push historical information to Industrial SQL Server. Industrial Application Server streamlined their application writing by approximately 60%. In the future, it will provide a communications tool between Colbert and other Trust Joist plants, and further down the road to other Weyerhaeuser facilities, enabling projects to be shared between plants. At the heart of this evolution are Wonderware's industry-leading plant intelligence software solutions, including Active Factory, Industrial SQL Server, Downtime Analyst, and Industrial Application Server.
This plant intelligence system gives us the platform to stand back and add more HMIs without having to recreate the system. We can just keep adding on to it. It gives us the ability to add on to it with the HMIs. It gives us the ability to add on tags for the historian. It gives us the ability to do more downtime tracking. It gives us the ability to incorporate all of Wonderware's modules with very, very little effort.
Central to Trust Joist's plant intelligence solution is Industrial SQL Server Historian, which gives the Colbert plant's decision makers unprecedented real-time access to accurate, detailed, real-time plant information. The Colbert operation stores data from all areas of the plant, including shift reporting information and environmental data, and uses it to make critical business decisions on a daily basis. In addition, Wonderware's InTouch HMI software helps staff to visualize this information and use it to more effectively control the plant's industrial processes. Active Factory software analyzes the real-time and historical data captured and stored by the Industrial SQL Server Historian. Downtime Analyst tracks equipment performance to improve efficiency and product quality that will keep Trust Joist at the forefront of its industry.
This system right now at Trust Joist is being used by everyone. It's being used by the operators, the managers, the quality people, the maintenance department. Everyone uses it for one reason or another, mainly to get data. On the management side, we're looking at trends, we're looking at downtimes through the DT Analyst. We have Active Factory Web that we have implemented so that we can push our data on up through to the corporate network. They can view live trends and see what the process is doing at any given point or time.
Trust Joist has experienced a number of benefits from their new plant intelligence system. One of the most significant impacts has come from Downtime Analyst. After being up and running for only 3 months, DT Analyst delivered a surprise to plant personnel.
When we first put in DT Analyst, we looked at one area of the plant, and the downtime that we were assuming that we were getting was about 20% of what we were actually getting. And that caught everybody off guard, caught everybody by surprise.
In the initial rollout, Downtime Analyst was deployed at the press area, the plant's biggest trouble spot. It has had a significant impact on plant operations by ensuring data integrity and delivering accurate information in real time.
DT Analyst showed a lot of areas where we were slowing down and did not realize that we were, and it gives us the reasons why we were slowing down. By having DT Analyst and being able to track this data, and being able to trend it and be able to understand when it's happening and why it's happening, has allowed us to see a net gain of about 15% in our performance rate, which is the amount of on-grade product that we make per hour. 15% is very important to our customers in that helps us maintain the ability to deliver our product on time.
Additionally, Wonderware tools have revolutionized the environmental reporting required of Trust Joist, improving accuracy and efficiency. Previously, reports were a highly manual process and very time-consuming. Reports had to be constantly double-checked for accuracy to avoid timestamp inconsistencies. Now the reports are generated through Industrial SQL Server and created using Active Factory Web tools. All the required data can be pulled up and sent off with only a few minutes' work. Moreover, problems are now being caught before they fall out of regulatory compliance, keeping Trust Joist from paying fines or penalties.
Wonderware's plant intelligence solution has had a profound impact on our reporting for our EPA. It has reduced the costs associated with excursions by giving us early data so that we can make changes before they become major problems.
The new plant intelligence system has enabled Trust Joist managers and operators to analyze process data more easily than ever, and better changes are readily integrated into the system.
We use real-time information from the system to see things here that this plant's never seen. This plant is about 15 years old, and before today, before Wonderware, we didn't have a good system to be able to see real-time data. We use real-time data to make correlations in the process in order to, it brings them to light, so to speak, so we can take action to remediate. We've never been able to do that in this plant before.
The next steps in the evolution of Truss Joist Culvert plant will see downtime analysts spread throughout the plant, delivering the same kind of efficiency improvements the press area has already experienced. Then, the managers at Colbert would like to extend the benefits they have experienced with Industrial Application Server and all of Wonderware's plant intelligence solutions beyond the four walls of their plant.
I would recommend Wonderware products, Industrial Application Server, the NSQL, all of the Wonderware tools with the highest regards. It has helped me not only here at this mill, but at other areas through my career.
Just as construction professionals turn to Truss Joist and Weyerhaeuser for stable, industry-leading construction materials, Truss Joist has built its industrial automation foundation with Wonderware.